Alright, hello everybody. This is going to be an unboxing of my new camcorder that I just bought from ABC Warehouse. Here it is. It's a Canon Vixia HFR 800. Went with Canon because I read some reviews and I've heard good things about the quality. Sony cameras are crap in my opinion. I'll be honest, I bought my Handycam only because everybody in the elevator community uses them. And I found out that's only because he who shall not be named, the starter of the elevator community, who I currently, that's another story, he uses a Sony, and so I kind of wanted to get rid of mine as soon as possible. And Canon makes better cameras anyway. I was going to go with a Panasonic, but from our own personal experience, their camcorders have a tendency to just die randomly after like a year. That's what the reviews of a lot of them I read. So I spent $50 more than I was gonna, and I got competitor. It's actually a more professional camera than what I have now. So let's unbox it. Here we have whatever that is from Canon. The instruction manual. We're going to see the camera. Or not. This is the charge cord, I would assume. Nope, this is the charge cord. One thing I didn't like about these is that they only plug into the wall to charge, which is kind of a downside, but I was willing to look past that. If I ever want to buy an extra charger, I will. So I'm opening this stuff. This I probably don't need to open, I just need to open the charger. And yes, I'm the type of person that not only keeps the box for stuff, but I keep these little plastic sleeves. Okay. Here's the battery. Much bigger battery than what's in my Sony, and it just slaps on the back, which I prefer. They did say it takes 8 hours to charge, but again, slower charge is usually better. This is Chinese symbol. I would assume this is something with HDMI, but I'm not going to use it. And here's the camera itself. Wow. There it is. Nice. Let's put a battery on and see how much charge it has. Would assume you put it on... Oh, well, is it upside down? No. Let's see, I would assume... There it is. First of all, let me adjust the strap so it fits my hand. There we go. Let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, there's a power button. Ooh, big lens. Let me see. Where do I plug it in? I would assume, yep, it's this. So it says power charge, so if I open it, there it is. So it's being charged. One by now? Nope. Oh well. Okay. Play. Setup is complete. And there we have it. No memory card, obviously. That's it. So we'll turn it off and I'm going to let it charge. The zoom lever feels a lot nicer. Do not disconnect power source. So there it is. My Canon Vixia HFR 800. And it's red because it's charging. The camera that I'm using now is, of course, what we've all seen before if you've been on my channel. The, oh, it's hard to see, Sony Handycam. But yeah, there's my new camera. It's actually really heavy. It feels a lot higher quality than what I have now. But that is it. I'm going to have to play around with the settings on that. It does take around 8 hours to charge fully, so we'll have to see. Probably tomorrow I'll come out with some test video. But for now, this is the Elevator World saying Canon Squad. And that's it for now. I'm going to go edit this video, and hopefully it'll be the very last one I've shot on this camera that I don't even really like.